Starting around 02 November 2023, Dogecoin basically is exchanging at $0.069 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.47% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely critical. Doge has a very complete market cap of $9,809,304,111, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $481,621,973. This generally makes Dogecoin, Doge, sort of positioning at 9 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin fundamentally be worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Dogecoin a Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $0.093, the normal certainly least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.089. Sort of additional appearance how Doge really has a truly all-out market cap of $9,809,304,111, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $481,621,973 in an all things considered, huge way. Besides, Doge can truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.098, which sort of is very critical. Dogecoin value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin sort of is supposed to for the most part be at around an extremely least of $0.072, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost can especially arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.082, with the for the most part normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally is somewhat anticipated to truly reach at any rate worth of $0.080 in September 2023, which sort of is very huge. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.085, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, showing how these basically are our Dogecoin cost forecasts for Doge's future, which basically is very huge. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.086 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin value forecast November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin essentially is truly anticipated to fundamentally reach at a by and large least worth of $0.086 in November 2023. The Doge cost could sort of arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.093, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin by and large is basically anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at a very least worth of $0.089 in December 2023 in an especially significant way. The Doge cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.098, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, showing how starting around 02 November 2023 Dogecoin in a real sense is exchanging at $0.069 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.47% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin by and large past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogecoin's cost sort of has shown a by and large great increment of 3.1% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Doge cost fundamentally is supposed to for the most part cross a sort of normal value level of $0.093, the normal kind of least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to sort of be $0.089. further showing how Doge in a real sense has a really all-out market cap of $9,809,304,111 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $481,621,973. Dogecoin generally is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, showing how Dogecoin passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost certainly has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 3.1% in the especially most recent 24 hours. Exhibiting that Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost explicitly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.093, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be $0.089. Kind of additional appearance how Doge sort of has a very all-out market cap of $9,809,304,111 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $481,621,973, which by and large is genuinely critical. The Doge basically is down to nearly 2.28% in the kind of most recent 7 days, in every way that really matters, further appearance how on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogecoin be especially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for truly past really couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have sort areas of strength for of however, we don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge especially diminished by 27.072%, disposing of an incredible really normal amount of $0.026 from its genuinely current worth, in every practical sense, further appearance, how while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.086, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down really implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be an especially decent sort of purchase, a potential open door for especially speedy venture. Which by and large demonstrates the way that the Doge cost could truly arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0.098, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Showing how starting around 02 November 2023 Dogecoin in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.069 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.47% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. Which is very huge. The 90 days cost change